Hi everyone, this is Cathy. Cathy's from Tasmania, and she's going to just tell you a little bit about how she ended up in LARAPINTA in Central Australia.
Which I still can't believe that I'm here. So I have recently turned 60, and although I've always been fairly fit, I suddenly found that I just didn't have that fitness anymore. I didn't have like that. So I joined Joe's Friday Night Bike group and found that it was something that I really enjoyed, and then we had some weekend hikes and it just got better and better. So when Northern Territory announced that's filled in a childhood dream that I never kind of really put to one side. So now here I am, fitter than I've ever been, and I've just hiked 7 days of strenuous hiking, and I have loved every single minute of it. And I think if I hadn't done, well, I know if I hadn't done Friday night hikes, if I hadn't had Joe's amazing pushing, which isn't pushing, it's motivation, there's a word.
Nudging.
If I hadn't had that amazing motivational support and her mountain movers and her Friday night hikes, there's no way that I would have just done the most amazing thing